can't sleep without you. I don't wanna go. Lord knows I just can't be alone. No, I don't wanna be. Fuck around and sleep. You know that I can't go. I don't wanna be alone.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Nikki Nicole and I am back with another video. Today I will be doing a hair review. Yes, another one. I'm a little excited to do this hair review because this is my first hair collab. This hair company, they contact me and they basically, you know, asked me that I want to review their hair, and I was like, yes, of course I want to review your hair. So this hair company is on Amazon. The hair company is called YIROO's. Yeah, YIROO. The company is called YIROO. Y'all can't see that. This is the little cute box it came in. So their shipping was really fast. Their shipping was 2 days. I ordered it like on a Thursday or a Friday, and I received the hair on a Sunday. This company has good customer service. I didn't have any problems out of them. Well, almost any problems. I will get to that later. They kept in contact with me. They let me know where my package was at. And once I received my package, they emailed me just to double check and make sure I got my package. Okay, so let's get to it. So this is the cute box. On the back, you guys really probably can't see that. It's basically just how to take care of your hair, you know, how to prevent the hair from getting tangled or frizzy, and that's up here. And then down here is just some hair washing tips. This is how the hair came packaged. I actually wanted some curly hair, so I got some curly hair. It's like they contacted me just in time because I was about to purchase some curly hair. So I ended up getting a 10-inch closure with 3 bundles. 10-inch, 12-inch, and 14-inch. This is where they annoyed me a little bit. So I went on the website. I'm like, okay, I see they got like 10-inch, 12-inch, 14-inch, 14-inch, 16-inch, 18-inch, you know, and so on. So I asked them, I'm like, well, can I get 12-inch, 3 12-inch bundles and a 12-inch closure? And they were like, okay, just make sure you select the 10-inch closure with the 10-inch, 12-inch, and 14-inch bundle. And they were gonna send the 12-inch closure and the 3 12-inch bundles instead. So I'm like, okay, that's perfect. When I'm done with my purchase, they like, okay, so we're gonna send you the 10-inch closure with the 10-inch, 12-inch, and 14-inch bundle. So I replied to them like, so you're gonna send the 12-inch closure with the 3 12-inch bundles, right? Why they tell me, oh no, we're gonna send the 10-inch closure with the 10, 12, and 14-inch bundles? I was a little irritated, but I was just like, it is what it is. I'm like, okay, but customer service, other than that, they was decent. So let's get into these bundles. Closure is just in the Ziploc bag. Y'all know I'm always struggling to open up something. Okay, in a hairnet. Oh, it actually smells good. So these curls, they just bouncing everywhere already. The hair is really soft. I'm gonna have to bleach this and pluck. So I don't wanna mess up the curl pattern, so I'm just gonna take one of these little curls and see, can I run my finger through it? Yup, my finger runs straight through it. Okay. I feel like it might not be too much tangling with this hair. So you can see the difference in the length style for the 10-inch. Ooh. Yeah, I didn't even take the hairnet off. I'm trying to shake it. Oh my God. Ooh. Oh, this 10-inch looks so short. See, this is why I just wanted all 12 inches. Like, we're gonna have to see though how this turn out. The wefts are really thick. I like how they got it wrapped around in this little pink sticker. These curls really popping too, just like the lace closure. Okay, so I'm gonna separate one of these two, so see if it tangles. Nope. Let me see if I'm going to get any shedding. Nope. There is no shedding coming from this hair. No shedding. Nope. It's the 12-inch. Let me separate one. Okay. These curls is popping. Like, I'm really feeling these curls. Now this 12-inch is more like it. I can run my fingers right through it. With these 3 bundles and the closure for this length, it was around like $93, and that is not bad. I know y'all like little background switch. I was sitting in front of my big window where all the light was just hitting me, but it's getting dark, so yeah, I had to set up my light. Okay, so this is the last bundle. See, the curls are bouncy. Yes, look at these curls though. Like, I don't think y'all really paying attention to these curls. Yes, honey, yes. Baby, look at that. Can run my fingers through it. Yes. Look at that. Oh my God. It's so cute. So cute. Let's see. See if I get any shedding. No. No shedding. Oh wait. I got one little strand of hair. It just fell, but it was just one little strand. That's nothing. So I will be taking this closure in these 3 bundles, and I will be making me a wig, and then I will come back and do another video for you guys after I had it in for about like 2 weeks to let you know my thoughts on this hair after it's installed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.